So currently in a trade on gold right now, I'm looking for buys right now. What I'm looking at here is essentially I'm looking for this huge move here that happened during Asian session going into London, and then London session gave us a really nice big deep pullback. That pullback here obviously created a need for market makers to grab orders here with this particular wick again. You can also see as well that on the TDI we do have divergence also. So with that being said, I'm in on a trade. We're trying to see if we can at least take out the highs here again, and then go from there. So we'll see what happens. So you can see from this particular trade, guys, we're just basically moving sideways. We keep hitting the 200 EMA. And for me personally, I'd rather just go ahead and move my stop loss in the profit and then let it take me out. And honestly, just get something out of the actual trade. We've been in it for quite some time now. So to me, it just makes sense. Move the stop loss in the profit, get something out of the trade if it's not going to get past the 200 EMA. And then just call it a day, let it take me out. And I'm pretty happy with how the trade went, even though it did not reach my ultimate goal. Guys, if you need any more help or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN Masterclass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys, and take care of yourselves.